think the biggest move as exclusive is its repositioning and rebranding itself as more of a service-based delivery company, right? So if you look at distribution, traditionally it was seen as product moving, but everything can be viewed as a service, product as a service, professional services, training, all of those are service-oriented stuff. And as we move into that world where hyperscalers become more relevant in the wider Middle East, where local cloud is playing a huge place, and the traditional system integrators being able to provide services and help with that skills gap is a huge part of what we're doing over the next few years. So we don't want to be seen as a traditional product-based distribution company, but one that is service first. Well, I think it goes back to that first question. So it's about driving that service mentality, helping partners to be able to scale that service offering, because that's a huge operational expenditure for smaller partners to be able to deliver managed service, to be able to technical solution services, training, whatever it may be. So being able to deliver that is a huge part of what we're taking forward as a value add. And alongside that, we're not dismissing product sales, by the way, just that it becomes another service arm to what we're trying to achieve. Well, I think all of our vendors, every single one of them, is using AI to be able to simplify its operational security solutions, to be able to deliver value to what is an intrinsically complicated solution and conversation, and again driving towards how do we reduce that skills gap, not by employing more and more people, but by making the solution more intuitive, being able to ask real world questions rather than having to code on the lines. And I think what we're seeing there is that the good side of AI is driving that proactive security conversation. Yeah, I mean, again, it's delivering that services orientation, making sure that we train our partners, making sure that we're giving them the latest and greatest information, supporting them both from a financing perspective as well. And I think that's hugely important as we see lead times or payment terms become elongated within a more mature market. How can we help them with financing capability? I think that's a huge part of it, as well as driving that service mentality. Yeah, well, I think the first thing I would say is that people differentiate exclusive networks. The team within exclusive networks has a longevity that you don't see in other places. That means we must be doing something right. I think that when you do that and you have longevity with people, you build trust, and trust is a huge part of everything that we do. And then those offerings around making sure that we're offering stuff which provides value, right? I think value is an overused word, and it's not simply about the lowest price or the quickest delivery. It's about making sure that you wrap that around the services that are required for the individual system integrator or reseller or hyperscaler, whatever it may be, to deliver value for their end users. And doing that is, we've been partners with Fortinet for 20 years globally. Fortinet continue to innovate, continue to grow, continue to be successful, and we're very proud to be a part of that journey. A very small part, but we're very pleased that we're a part of it. That we're here to support you, right? That we're not offering a playbook on support, that it's not simply a pick from a catalog, that on a, not even a reseller by reseller or system integrator, but on a deal by deal basis, defining the value has to be an individual process in each of those deals. So I think that's where we can add some real muscle around what we do, is being able to define and add value on an individual deal basis to be able to help them close the deal.